Hey Forest Friends, we're here at one of our favorite parks we haven't been to in a little while, and we're going on a hike.
Hi guys.
Okay, well I think there's a lot
Stick it back here.
You putting your stick in your jacket? Okay.
Yeah, and drink a lot of water.
Standing.
Yeah. So like applesauce.
Jump down the mountain. Oh my God, let's go down there. I want to jump down the mountain. It's Mom's favorite.
Okay.
Jump down the mountain. Stick your head down.
I am a ninja.
I can walk up the cliff. Hey! Mom, the ice out.
Is it snacks for squirrels?
Maybe. But
Yeah, it looks like snacks for squirrels or birds. That's nice of someone.
don't eat.
No, eat it. Come on, let's go.
Wait. Look, we can cross that bridge.
That bridge is so cool. I love it.
That's my favorite bridge. I like to cross.
Your favorite bridge. Your shoe got stuck? It is very muddy here. Oh, that's cool.
Every time I run, our shoes fall off.
Maybe these shoes are not the best shoes for hiking then. They're more for biking.
Guys, put it on the shortcut.
What's your shortcut?
Mom, please come. Mom, I want to go there with you. Yeah. Spider-Man. It is. Oh, man. Look. You're going such a way to hang on to the other side faster when you fit on. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mommy.
All right, Isaac is taking an unconventional way up the logs, which is super cool, exciting. Nico's ready to go on the bridge. Okay, I hear you. All right, we're on the bridge, almost done here. And we'll catch up over here. He made it across, yay. Lots of babies on back. Remember the very first time you crossed this log? It was
How?
2 years ago.
About up here.
Well, I guess if you fall, you won't get so wet. But I don't think you're going to fall. Let's see you go.
Yeah, I did this many times. I can run.
Way to go, bud.
Mom, wait, son, Mia.
Our friends, they are all the way up there. We'll catch up quick. All right, bud. I'm going to keep walking. You cross the way. There you go. Nice jump. So this is one of our favorite parks. We haven't come to all that much. See the moss growing. We were just doing an evergreen study.
Mommy, please don't climb up that tree.
No evergreens in here, but there's a bunch out near the parking lot. Another
behind
trail.
Those are green.
Oh, you see some evergreens back there? Yep. Nice walking stick.
Mom, I want to have like one right here, and I want to have like slippery stuff, another one, and then I can go up there, then I can slide down.
Cool. Here's our trail markers. Sorry, your shoes keep falling off. Maybe not those ones next time we go hiking. We didn't wear our snow boots today. Well, I mean, I did. I always kind of do.
Mom,
Except for the summer. Huh.
you have to put out their shoes.
I'll pick out your shoes next time. Okay. what they're talking about. But something that could kill you. What are you guys talking about?
We're talking about
Poisonous stuff? Are you collecting some, what are those, beech nuts?
No.
Acorns?
Walnut.
Walnuts?
Yep.
What else? What's,
I can put them into fire.
you're gonna put them in the fire? Yum. I think, actually, I wonder if they're hickory nuts.
I'm
I
not.
don't know. I need to, gotta learn more about our nuts around this area. There's a whole bunch of different ones. And we've had hickory nuts over
They
at our
are
friends.
different.
Those are cool.
Yeah, they have to be different. I'm not old kid.
You're an
They
old
have
kid.
to be different. Almost old. Mommy, no! And I never take it out for you. I will put the stick in.
You're gonna put a stick in the fire.
Not 9, but not 9.
I think, yeah, that's what she's saying. She's joking with you. I know, it would be so fun to have a fire. Yeah. Was that fun to have that fire at Dale's? You transformed into a cheetah? Wow, he's fast. Cheetah girl. Wow, she's fast. Are you guys stalking some, are you guys hunting? Oh, on the run again. You want to get down and go play? You want me to play? Okay. A frozen pond here, and we've got our rocky hill. All right, we're going up the hill. That way? We're all the way at the top. I'm coming. I am. Me? I'm the Bigfoot?
Yeah.
I guess.
Hold on, buddy.
What are you screaming about? Ooh, I like this little space you guys found.
Bigfoot! Get away from Bigfoot!
Am I Bigfoot?
No, look that baby climbing.
Yeah.
Bigfoot!
You got baby climbing?
I'm gonna tell Bigfoot stories.
Okay. Is this a cool spot for Bigfoot stories?
Yeah. Okay. Can you get down here for a little bit? Get down if you want.
Look how high we are. There's the pond down there now. Be careful at the edge, buddy. Yeah. I see you.
I think I'm gonna do this. The Bigfoot game.
On the rock.
I'm not Bigfoot, I'm the Hulk.
You're the Hulk.
Come on, two big step.
There was
Just hey, Eric, careful.
So you guys all believed in Bigfoot?
You're so high.
One night they went out. One night they went out to see if Bigfoot was to see if Bigfoot was actually real.
Sit our bottom.
What happened?
Then they heard, when they were in the middle of the woods, they heard a rustle in the bushes. Then another. Then a big thump. Thump. Then they realized they were completely lost. They wanted to find a way back. But then they still thump. But then they saw a giant foot. Then a giant hand. Then another giant foot. Then another giant hand. Then a giant face. It was Bigfoot.
Scary.
They said.
Mia went that way? Here she is. You gonna go back down?
Yeah.
All right. Right here. You made it down. Woohoo! Wow, we found a shallow little ice pond next to the bigger one, which is not safe, but this one should be just fine.
Go give it to Mommy.
You keep falling down.
I know.
Okay, that's all right. We can hang out for a little longer.
Yeah.
Oh, we're getting all wet over there. Huh?
Where's the pup?
Is that cool?
You have fun today? Are we on our walk back?
I don't want to walk that. I want someone to pick me up.
You want someone to pick you up? Oh, me too, bud. Come on, let's use those strong legs.
No. Unless there was a giant, so I can pick a few and me. So I can take a little nap.
Oh, that would be nice.
But not the Bigfoot don't like. Only they like girls. Only girls.
Bigfoot only likes girls. Oh, that's an interesting theory.
How?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know.
We'll have to meet Bigfoot one day.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go down this.
Nice stance. Do whatever feels safe for you, bud. Keep going, bud. And that's a wrap. We had a fun day on our hike with our forest friends.
Don't forget to get